Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing team. And if you're new here, welcome. Alright, first, before I get started, if you want to try to imitate anything on this YouTube channel, it is at your own risk. Alright, anything that you try to do that I'm doing here, you're doing it at your own risk. Alright, I'm doing it for your entertainment. Alright, and for my entertainment as well. I'm entertained doing this stuff. Alright, so what we got going on here, I drained the oil out of my truck, getting a little oil change, so perfect timing to put my oil sandwich plate on. Alright, with the new filter. I'm going to use a smaller filter. Some of you might have noticed on my other YouTube videos that I used a big filter for a little bit. Since I have this one on deck, alright, I'm just going to go ahead and plop that one in with this system. Alright, easy breezy install. This is a glow shift sandwich plate. All right, and I had put some oil and fuel resistant gasket maker everywhere I thought might leak. All right, even on the AN fitting, I didn't think it was going to leak. I more put it on the AN fitting to stop it from coming loose. Vibrations or anything kind of jerking or moving it, you don't want that to come loose. All right, that's gonna be catastrophic. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to install this short little run right here, all right? And this is going to be the beginning of my turbo oil feed system, all right? This turbo right now is upside down, but it's going to end up going here. Okay, I got the rest of the lines over here. And it's a mess on that side of the garage. It's a mess everywhere. And I don't have a badass garage, all right? But at least it's a garage. Oh, man, I went too many years without a garage. No fun, let me tell you that right now. All right, so let's see if I can get my cameraman set up. Easy breezy install. What I like about this is I'm about to be able to point it any direction I want to, basically. And I'm not gonna have any of that, what do you call that? Tension or leverage tension on it to where when the motor's moving something or whatever and lines break off, I'm actually going to be able to set it up in there where it just sits nice and loose and steady and go towards the back of the truck. I'm going to really enjoy this install, I think. All right, hot damn, per instructions, I'm going to go ahead and, you know, put a little bit of oil on this rubber seal right here. There isn't one on the other side. All right, this thing goes one way. The oil filter has your little rubber seal gasket there or whatever. Wham bam for the other side. All right, so easy breezy. Let's get going on this. Talking way too much for a simple deal. All right. All right, and if you're curious, that's what I got. All right, that's it right there, the model number. All right, glow shift. How damn get some. All righty, fellas, I hope you can see this. I'm gonna do the best I can here. All right, I got it ran the way I want it to go, which is going out the back instead of front to the back. It's just going straight to the back and should be out of the way of everything else. It's getting a little pain in the ass of putting this in here. All right, so you put your plate in. And when arms have been around, it shouldn't be bent up like this. Such a pain. Ooh, it's up in there. Is it in there? All right, I can kind of move it now. Got it in there a little loose. Can move it right where I want it. See where I want it. I don't want it touching the headers over there. All right, but that's what I'm looking for. If you can see that right there, that's what I want. All right, so I'm gonna tighten it up somehow. All right, the cameraman's not in the way. Alright, now you don't want to do this too tight or it's going to leak. Just like you don't want to tighten up your oil filter too tight. Alright, it'll leak, right? You'll blow the seal out. Alright, we're getting up in there. Come on, baby. I would have to say I don't want it too tight. Right, not too tight. Just a little bit. Perfect. I think that should be it. Okay, and then now the oil filter. Ow, my nugget. This was a little pain in the rear. All right. That's why I just totally stopped with the T. The T got a lot more work than that to do. And it ain't fun when you're trying to reach up in here and you just want it to be easy breezy. I just want it to be easy breezy. I don't know if this system's going to be permanent or not yet, so that's why we want it to be all temporary. I don't want things cut up if it doesn't need to be. A little hand tight there, be good enough. Go get a rag, clean everything up. That'll be it right there. That's nice. Yeah, I can dig that. Yeah. All right, let me get a rag real quick and we'll take a look at it. Oh, my hand, we got a little bit of oil on it. You see there? That is outstanding. I like it. All right. Alrighty, that's about it right there. And everything's super dusty. You gotta clean that up. All right, got to cut these little wire ties. All right, but you can see I wanted to leave that as an indicator. That's the stainless steel braided line we're talking about right now. All right, so I got oil feed now coming back, and the check valve is sitting there under the body here. All right, so that's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted, and to me, that was a whole lot better than putting this in and looping a line around from there. Although getting straight filtered oil is probably best. All right, so we ain't doing what's best, better, whatever. We're just doing what works and works well here and what's easy, because we need it plug and play. All right. And if I did the T, I think I'd have to cut a little bit of wires up to make it work. All right, so this is where we're gonna hit it for now. I know I gotta cut that. I'm not cutting it right now. I'm trying to get Bidia done. All right, so here it is. That's where we're gonna cap it off just for the moment, just tying it up temporarily. I'm gonna put it up somewhere nice, right? Make everything nice and neat, of course. All right, but yeah, that's it right there. The oil feed for the turbo is on, and hopefully that will be permanent and it doesn't leak. If it leaks, I'll let you know. All right, hot damn, hell yeah. Yeah, it's gonna need to be, you know, placed a little nicer and whatnot, but I'll lay it out in the truck and then we'll make it nice later. All right, hot damn, hell yeah, get some.